Now see the 13th question. ABCD is a trapezium. ABCD is a trapezium with AB parallel to CD or DC. A line parallel to AC, this AC, intersects AB at X and BC at Y. See, this XY is the line parallel to AC which intersects AB at X and BC at Y. Now there is one construction in this. Before seeing the construction, see what we have to prove. We have to prove that ADX is equals to area of ADX is equals to area of ACY. Okay, this. Now let's see the solution. First of all, we will do the construction. Construction is join CX. Okay, now see the proof. See triangle ADX and triangle ACX. These two triangles are on same base AX and between same parallels AX and CD or DC. So first we will write triangles ADX and ACX are on same base AX and between same parallels AB parallel to DC. Okay, therefore the area of these two triangles will be equal. So hence area of ADX is equals to area of ACX. Name this as equation number 1, and the reason for this will be since triangles on same base and between same parallels are equal in area. Okay, this reason you have to write here. Okay, I have not written, but you have to write. Now similarly, see triangles ACY and ACX. Now in these two triangles base is same, that is AC, and they are between same parallels AC parallel to XY. Okay, so in this we will write similarly triangles ACY and ACX are on same base AC and between same parallels AC parallel to XY. Hence the area of both the triangles will be equal. So area of ACY will be equal to area of ACX. Name this as equation number 2, and reason will be same. Since triangles on the same base and between same parallels are equal in area. This you have to write in reason. Okay. Now from equation number 1 and 2, see in first equation ADX is equals to ACX, and in second equation this ACX is equals to ACY. So instead of this ACX we will write this ACY. Okay, so from equation number 1 and 2 ADX is equals to ACY. Okay, and this is what we have to prove in this 13th question. So we can write hence proved. Okay, now see the 14th question. 14th question is AP is parallel to BQ. AP is parallel to BQ is parallel to CR. That means all three lines are parallel to one another. Now we have to prove that AQC, area of AQC is equals to area of PBR. Okay. Now see the triangles ABQ and PBQ. ABQ and PBQ. Base is same and they are between same parallels. So we can write triangles ABQ and PBQ are on same base BQ and between same parallels BQ parallel to AP. So their areas will be equal. Hence area of ABQ is equals to area of PBQ. Name this as equation number 1. Now what reason you will write here? Since the triangles on same base and between same parallels are equal in area. Okay. Now similarly see triangles BQC and BQR. BQC and BQR. Base is same BQ and they are between same parallel lines. Okay, so we will write similarly triangles BQC and BQR are on the same base BQ and between same parallels BQ parallel to CR. Okay, therefore their area will also be equal. So area of BQC is equals to area of BQR. This we have written. Name this as equation number 2. Reason will be same, since the triangles on the same base and between same parallels are equal in area. Okay. Now what we will do, we will add equation number 1 and 2. So adding equation number 1 and 2, first add LHS. Area of ABQ plus area of BQC is equals to, now add RHS, area of PBQ plus area of BQR. Okay. So what is sum of LHS? ABQ plus BQC, that means this full triangle. So this is equals to area of AQC. Okay, then is equals to, now see RHS, PBQ plus BQR, that means this full triangle. Okay, so this is equals to area of PBR. Okay, and this is what we have to prove. So we can write hence proved. Thank you everyone. If you like my videos, please like, subscribe and share my channel and stay connected with A1 study classes.